Welcome to Compost Channel. Today we unlock a secret Japanese technique that transforms kitchen scraps into gold in just 15 days. Traditional composting is often a slow, tedious process that tests your patience, taking months to break down organic matter completely. We usually wait months for nature to take its course, dealing with unpleasant smells and pests invading our peaceful garden space. The open decomposition method often attracts unwanted insects and creates odors that make your gardening experience less enjoyable and relaxing. But what if I told you there is a faster, cleaner way to create super soil without the usual composting headache? Originating from Japan, this innovative method changes everything we know about soil creation, prioritizing speed, efficiency, and nutrient retention. Instead of waiting seasons for results, this technique accelerates the breakdown process, delivering rich soil in roughly 2 short weeks. This is not magic. It is a scientific process called fermentation, which differs significantly from the aerobic decomposition we are used to. We utilize specific, effective microorganisms that ferment the organic waste rather than letting it rot, preserving all the essential nutrients. The result is a nutrient-dense soil amendment that boosts plant growth significantly, all achieved without the foul odors of rotting garbage. To begin this journey, you need a few simple tools: an airtight bucket with a drainage tap and effective microbial brand. Preparation is key. Always chop your kitchen scraps into smaller pieces to increase the surface area for the microbes to work. Start by sprinkling a generous layer of the specialized bran at the bottom of your bucket to welcome the first batch. Add your chopped organic waste on top of the bran, spreading it out evenly to ensure consistent fermentation throughout the bucket. This step is crucial. Compress the waste firmly to remove air pockets. Remember, this is an anaerobic process that hates oxygen. Cover the waste completely with another handful of bran. These microbes are the workers that will process your waste efficiently. Think of it as making a lasagna. You alternate layers of food scraps and microbial bran until the bucket is full. Seal the lid tightly after every addition. Keeping oxygen out is the most important rule for this Japanese fermentation method. Store your bucket in a cool, shaded place indoors. It does not need sunlight or heat, just a stable room temperature. Every few days, drain the liquid accumulating at the bottom. This is Bokashi tea, a potent fertilizer for your house plants. Dilute this concentrated liquid with water immediately and feed your plants. It is packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes for roots. Once your bucket is completely full, seal it one last time and write down the date. Now the waiting game begins. Leave the bucket alone for 2 weeks. Inside, the microbes are fermenting the waste, pickling it rather than letting it rot. After 2 weeks, open the lid. You might see white fluffy mold on top. Do not panic. This indicates healthy fermentation. The waste will look similar to when you put it in, but it is now chemically changed and smells like pickles. Now comes the second phase. The fermented waste is highly acidic and needs to mix with soil to finish the process. Empty the bucket into your garden trench or a large container of soil. This introduces the fermented matter to earthworms. Mix the waste thoroughly with the surrounding soil. This helps neutralize the acidity and exposes the material to soil bacteria. Cover the mixture with a thick layer of soil. This acts as a barrier against pests and keeps the moisture inside. Within just 1 week in the ground, the fermented waste breaks down incredibly fast, much faster than raw vegetable scraps would. Soil microbes and earthworms love this fermented food. They consume it rapidly, turning it into nutrient-rich humus for your garden. Digging into the spot after 2 weeks, you will be amazed. The food scraps have virtually disappeared, becoming part of the soil. The soil structure is now improved, holding moisture better and teeming with life, ready to support your most demanding plants. You can now plant directly into this revitalized area. The nutrients are readily available for the young roots to absorb immediately. Plants grown in this soil often show vigorous growth, darker green leaves, and better resistance to diseases compared to regular soil. This method allows you to cycle nutrients quickly, turning today's lunch leftovers into next month's harvest without waiting all year. By adopting this Japanese technique, you significantly reduce your household waste sent to landfills, contributing to a healthier, greener planet. Maintenance is simple. Just rinse your bucket with water after emptying it, and you are ready to start the cycle again. Unlike traditional composting, this method can handle meat, dairy, and citrus peels, making it a versatile solution for all scraps. You are also preventing methane production in landfills. This is a powerful step towards a sustainable lifestyle right from your kitchen. It is also a fantastic educational activity for children, teaching them about the cycle of life and the value of nature. Strong soil creates strong roots. The beneficial microbes from the fermentation process continue to live in your garden ecosystem permanently. Imagine harvesting your own organic vegetables, grown in soil that you created yourself from your own kitchen waste scraps. The cycle is continuous and sustainable. You take from the earth and you give back to the earth, enriching it further. This compact system fits anywhere, from large farmhouses to small city apartments, bringing the power of regeneration to everyone. We encourage you to try this Japanese soil-making method. It is an investment in your garden that pays off incredibly fast. Remember the 3 main benefits: absolutely no bad smells, incredibly fast results, and superior nutrient content for your beloved plants. Your garden will thank you with vibrant blooms and bountiful harvests, all thanks to the microscopic heroes in that bucket. Share this knowledge with your friends and neighbors. Together, we can transform how our communities handle waste and grow food. Treat your soil like a living entity. Feed it well with fermented organic matter, and it will feed you forever. To recap, grab a bucket, some EM bran, and your kitchen scraps. That is all you need to start today. 15 days might seem short, but it is enough time for nature and science to collaborate and perform a miracle. As we look at our thriving garden, we realize that the best solutions are often those that work with nature. Gardening should be a joy, not a chore. This method removes the struggle and leaves you with only the rewards. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more innovative gardening tips and eco-friendly tricks. Have you tried this Japanese method before? Let us know your experiences or questions in the comments section down below. We are dedicated to bringing you the best soil secrets from around the world to help you grow your paradise. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will explore how to make your own microbial bran at home cheaply. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey to better soil. Every scrap you save makes a difference. This has been Compost Channel. We wish you happy gardening and hope to see you again in our next video.